on to another video
from yours truly, the A and J show.
Look at that. Look at that person.
It's this one.
Okay.
Is our mascot.
Guys.
We have 3 mascots now.
Guys,
AJ, the meat-eating Maggie. Oh, no, Maggie. Ah! Cut it out, you two. Look at the size difference. Hold up, let it focus for a second. I'm gonna let it focus. Maggie's like, I didn't do anything. You guys did stuff, not me. Chick, stop doing that. And of course he leaves right in time. Mickey goes.
Let's try to do a roast video. Your mother's son.
No. We'll do that in another video. But for right now, we're meeting yours truly, AJ.
Style.
No, this is AJ. His
AJ Style.
name's AJ.
Did
Did you just fart, AJ? That was weird. I need to get a shout from the. Guess how old AJ is, and you'll win a special shout out. Speaking of shout outs, on Meeting Maggie video, one of my worst videos, somebody said she's adorable. She's adorable. She's got to be 1, but he was correct. That person was Anar. What's his username? I'm not saying the last name because of privacy. Okay, Anar? Oh my god, now I need privacy from this weirdo called Jacob. He's like, I'm in timeout.
You're one of these, Aaron. Look at this.
Just call me an idiot in sign language. I don't know what's going on back there. I'm going to find out. What's going on, Maggie? Maggie Patrol? AJ? Any witnesses? It's like, no, we're not doing anything. We're not trying to take over the world.
Now shut up.
Oh, no. Oh, no. Stop
No,
it.
stop. Maggie, stop.
Oh my god, she's running now. Okay, we gotta break this up. Okay, AJ's in the house. What's in the house? And now he's. AJ, walk away. Walk away. AJ's in the house. Oh, no, he's in the house still.
AJ Style.
AJ. And he is